How to reset your Hinge password. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can reset the password of your Hinge account. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you will come to the home screen like this. Now in order to reset your password, you can simply log out of your account and then go to the login screen. At the login screen, you will find the option called forgot your password in most of the applications. So let's see if it has one. Now after you have logged out of Hinge, you will find the options to create an account or sign in. Tap on sign in. Now when you go to sign in, you can sign in with Google or Facebook or with your phone number. Since there is no separate area for entering your email address and password, Hinge does not use any separate password to create your account. For example, when you tap on sign in with Google, you'll have to choose the account that you want to log in with. After you choose your login credentials, you will be automatically logged into Hinge. As you saw, there was no option to enter your password. That indicates that the Hinge platform does not use any password to secure your account. Since there is no usage of password, there is no way you can reset it. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.